Well, good morning, everybody. Are you guys ready for the continuing saga of Rattle Can Rob? Well, today I'm going to go ahead and get this all taped up and papered off and all the way up here. And we're going to get some color code on this, get that painted gray. So first thing I want to do is I want to take this rail off right here because it's in my way. I'll leave this one on, but I'm going to take this one out of the way and swing it around or something. So let's see if we can get that done. Helps if I'm not hanging on it. Man, none of these screws fared very well in this thing. I don't know why. They all just look like they're rusty. Weird thing about it, nothing else on the bus is rusty, but just these screws inside are. Put this in here so I don't lose it. Hide it under the seat so I can't find it later too. Weird. Okay. I took this off too. It was a, what's it say here? Vehicle information transmitter. Probably for tracking where the bus was at when it was in service. But it was mounted up in here. And I took that off. Nobody needs to know where I'm at. I've already wiped this down once. I'm going to tape it up and I'm going to wipe it down again. Careful taping makes a good job. A few minutes extra. Make sure you get it taped off good. Alright, so you get the idea. I'm going to go ahead and do this. Then I'm going to tape up this area down here. And okay, so I've got it taped up and I put the sand-free plastic prep on this and it's about dry. So I'm going to start putting the first coat of gray on it. And this time I've got my respirator because I'm inside this bus. And it probably wouldn't be a good idea to be in here without it. Don't expect me to talk. I sound like Kenny on South Park. Medium gray. Brian left-handed again. Yeah, happy 4th of July, huh? They've been shooting off guns all day today. Those are firecrackers. Big ones, too. They're not even legal in California. It's funny. Nobody seems to do anything about it, though, here. We're way up north, and we're kind of far away from the regulations that you get down south. But, yeah, everybody's just doing this. They were doing that up to midnight last night, keeping me awake. Yeah, it's starting to get old. The festivities are leaving my oh, you know what I mean. Okay. Hi, Rubes. Is that scaring you, buddy? That's scaring the kitty. Poor old guy. Yeah. Rubes. What do you think of that, huh? It'll make my kitty crazy now. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey, kiddo. What's going on, huh? Yeah, he doesn't seem to be too upset. Ruby. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Okay. It's been about 10 minutes. I got the Thomas Bus Gray right here. And we're going to go ahead and put the finish coat on this. I'm going to put a nice heavy coat on. I'm running out. Hey everybody, got it back in, and man, I think this looks 110% better. Kind of ties everything into the dash. This came out real nice. All the buttons are painted to match. I found some other buttons and painted them up too because I was missing a few. And the nice thing about this thing's up here real solid now. Before, it was, when I was going down the road, it was creaking and rattling. So what I found out is there's a board that is on the back side right up here, and whoever had taken this out one other time to service it didn't put the board back. It was just kind of sliding around up here in the roof. And I put the board back over there and screwed these all into it, and it just made that thing really solid. So I put the old latches on them because even though they're a little corroded, they're brass. That's why they're kind of green colored. So, but the underside's gray. The jambs are gray. Looks like it should be. And I don't know about you guys, but I think this is a great upgrade. A very good upgrade. Too bad its light wasn't a little bit better. I'd show it a little closer. I did have a little tape mishap right there. You can see a little yellow spot. And putting this back on right here, I kind of clipped it down there. You can see a spot down there where the screw broke off, and it made my drill jump out. But I'll touch that up. I taped that off because I thought it would be a good thing to leave on there, the emergency door release for this. And oh, I can put my pin back in now. If I could remember how it goes. It's funny. Oh, here it is. I don't remember how it goes. Weird. Well, now I got something else to play around with. Okay, well, I don't know how long this video's been. I think probably we were just going to call an end to this thing and move on to the next one. So we got a little bit done here. I'll talk to you the next time. Bye.